are in Ocean Beach Conservation Area. Justin is putting down the air pressure for the tire so that we can drive on the beach. There's a lighthouse ahead that we are going to. You have to go to a different spot. When you don't have sandboard, you just use your picnic table. To us adults, whenever we see beautiful scenery view, ocean view, you name it, it's our little paradise. But for my little girls, whenever there is a playground, that is their paradise. Whenever we see a playground, we always try to stop by and let them have a play. Our first time visit Strawn was back in February or January 2020, before the pandemic begins. We stay at this holiday park just right behind me. We stay here for 2 nights, just and then we enjoy our breakfast. I tried my scallop pie for the first time at the cafe in the town, and we're just exploring a little bit around. I think we only stay here for 1 night, not 2 nights. And now here we are back in 2022. We are back at this place, but this time around we're living in a caravan park instead of staying in a accommodation, and we are actually camping somewhere outside of Strawn, about 10 kilometers up somewhere. We are going to do one of Tasmania's 60 great short walk again today. It's called Hogarth Falls. It's a 40-minute return. Let's see how. Why do you need the big one, Daddy?
The bigger ones will burn for a long time. So they take a long time to turn on as well.
I think this one is...
No, this bit is for up here, where my hair is meant to be long. Here is meant to be short.
So I just do the up one first?
Yeah.
And do it outside, not inside.
Press hard, babe.
I cannot see it now falling down. Now it's falling down.
Just leave it.
Just leave it, Eva.
Just vertical, Eva. But babe, vertical, up.
Yeah,
Not
up.
sideways. Yeah, like that.
Your hair is falling down and your body.
That's why I took off my shirt. We are right now in Macquarie Head.
We came here last night. We had so much trouble getting into this place, but we did it anyway, and we will be staying tonight. Tomorrow we will be heading back to Strawn and stay there one night as well. We get to have this place 2 nights for ourselves. There is another camper next to us, but it seems like they have gone somewhere and they have not returned yesterday and today as well. So maybe they go for a longer bushwalking somewhere. The camping ground is right next to the lake, and we are very closer to the airport. I was trying to send the drone up to take a flying around here, but unfortunately we couldn't do it because we are so close to the airport, and Justin doesn't know how to log into his account to register, so I guess we can't do it. Before, I was trying to cut Justin hair. The first time I did it when we was in lockdown back in New South Wales in Sydney. I did a great job back the first time. However, the second time I don't seem to be doing a good job, and the battery ran out, and then we realized that we didn't have the charger. So his hair is sort of half undone right now. He's not happy. So tomorrow we are going to Strawn town so that a professional hairdresser can cut his hair on my behalf.